Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through writing your very first Python script. And in the last video, we did install and ran Hello World in Python. So let's go ahead and get started using our hello world.py file. So just to recap, all we did in order to run Hello World was simply type print hello world like so. And remember that if you have any changes that need to be saved, you'll see this white dot next to the file name. Hit Control Save in order to get rid of that and actually save your file. And simply in our command prompt, by going to these three dots, clicking Terminal, New Terminal, and then changing your dropdown to CMD. I just personally like command prompt. You can use PowerShell if you'd like or whatever. And in my CMD, I'm just going to type in Python and then the name of the file, which is hello-world.py. And now it'll print out hello world. So let's go over what these means. So this print is a built-in Python function. A function is like a little program within our program that performs a specific task. The print function tells Python to display something onto the screen. And now these hello worlds are surrounded in parentheses. Inside them, we put what we want to display, and in this case, it's the text hello world. We use the double quotes around this text to tell Python that this is a string, which is just a fancy word for text. So now let's take it a step further. Let's modify our script to greet the user with their name. And in order to do that, we'll need to use a new function called input. And I'll go ahead and put this on the second line. And in the first line, I'm going to assign a variable called name. And this name will be that input function we talked about. And we're simply going to ask, what is your name? Make sure to include a space between the question mark and the quotation. And now I'll go ahead and erase the world part and write hello with a comma and a space after. And then I will do plus name plus, and then in quotes, exclamation mark. And this is called concatenation, which we'll go into further detail. And let's go over what this is doing. So let's go over the first line where it says name is equal to input. What is your name? So we're asking the input function to ask the user for their name. Whatever they type gets stored in a variable called name. A variable is like a container that holds data, and in this case, it's going to be holding the user's name. So in the second line, we use the print function again, but this time we combine the strings. The plus symbol combines or concatenates strings together. So Python prints hello, followed by whatever name is typed, but that's stored in this variable, and then finally it adds an exclamation mark. So let's run our updated script and try it out. So I'll hit save because we have some changes that need to be saved. And then we're going to type in Python hello world.py. So if you don't want to retype everything, while your blinker is in the command prompt, you can click the up arrow to go back of what you typed previously. So it's going to ask, what is your name? I'm going to write code with row, and then it's going to say hello code with row. And there you have it. You've written your first Python script. Thanks for watching Code with Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll be continuing this beginner Python series for all you coders out there. Thanks for watching.